Have you ever wondered how deep the vagina really is? And whether penis size actually matters for pleasure? There are many myths and misconceptions about this topic. And today, we're going to uncover the truth. Stay tuned until the end, because some of the answers might surprise you. The topic of penis size is something many men think about. But is it really that important? Scientifically speaking, the vagina has fascinating properties. It's elastic, adaptable, and much more than just a deep tunnel. In this video, I'll explain the actual depth of the vagina, how it changes, and why penis size isn't as crucial as many believe. So stay with me, because understanding your body and your partner's can completely transform your sex life. Many people believe that the vagina is a deep, rigid organ, but that's a huge misconception. In its relaxed state, without sexual arousal, the average vaginal depth is only 7 to 10 centimeters. This may sound surprising, especially to men who think that bigger penis sizes are always better, but the key factor isn't depth. It's the structure of the vagina itself. It's made of stretchable muscle and connective tissue, allowing it to adapt. Interestingly, most nerve endings associated with sexual pleasure are concentrated in the first 5 centimeters of the vaginal canal. This means that penis size isn't necessarily the deciding factor for pleasure. Many people overestimate the role of length and underestimate other factors like stimulation, foreplay, and emotional connection. When a woman is sexually aroused, the vagina can expand to 12 to 15 cm. The most adaptable area is the upper part, near the cervix. This highlights how incredibly flexible the female body is. After all, the vagina must be able to allow a baby to pass through during childbirth. However, every woman is different, and just as there are variations in penis size, there are also differences in vaginal structures. Some women have a more elastic vagina, while others are more sensitive to stretching. That's why communication in a relationship is so important, to discover what feels comfortable for both partners. Many men believe that a penis of 18 to 20 centimeters is necessary to give a woman maximum pleasure. But scientifically speaking, that's not true. Since most erogenous nerve endings are located within the first 5 centimeters of the vagina, penis length is not the most important factor. Technique, stimulation, and understanding your partner's needs matter far more. In fact, a penis that is too large can actually be uncomfortable. Since the vagina reaches a maximum depth of 12 to 15 centimeters when aroused, an excessively long penis can cause pain, pressure, or even injuries. The area near the cervix is particularly sensitive, and too much pressure that can create discomfort. Of course, the vagina can adapt, but there are limits. Some women enjoy deep vaginal penetration, while others find it unpleasant or even painful. That's why communication between partners is crucial. The real goal is not size, but mutual satisfaction and a relaxed, enjoyable sexual experience. Interestingly, studies show that women overall tend to value other aspects more, such as tenderness, passion, and emotional connection, rather than penis size. So instead of worrying about centimeters, the focus should be on the quality of intimacy. Many people wonder if the depth and elasticity of the vagina change over time, and the answer is yes. Various factors, such as age, hormonal changes, and especially childbirth, can influence vaginal structure. After giving birth, the vagina may temporarily be more stretched, but in most cases, it gradually tightens again over time. As a woman ages, estrogen levels decrease, leading to reduced elasticity and thinner vaginal walls. This can sometimes cause dryness or discomfort, but there are many treatment options available. Medical technologies such as laser therapy, pelvic, floor exercises, and hormone treatments can help improve vaginal health and restore elasticity. It's important to understand that changes in the vagina are completely normal, and no woman should feel ashamed of them. However, if these changes cause discomfort, professional solutions are available. Having an open conversation with a gynecologist or urologist can help find the best approach, whether after childbirth or as part of aging. Vaginal health can be actively maintained. Taking care of your body allows you to enjoy a fulfilling sex life even later in life. Communication, self-care, and the right medical support all play a crucial role in this process. A fulfilling sex life starts with knowledge, and that applies to men just as much as to women. Many people focus only on the vaginal canal, but that's just one part of female pleasure. In reality, other areas play a much bigger role, especially the clitoris and the outer labia. The clitoris has over 8,000 nerve endings, twice as many as the penis. This means that direct or indirect stimulation is often more important for pleasure than deep penetration. Studies show that many women reach orgasm more easily through clitoral stimulation than through vaginal intercourse alone. The psychological aspect is also crucial. Trust, emotional closeness, and a relaxed atmosphere are often just as important as physical stimulation. Men who take the time to truly understand their partner tend to experience a deeper connection and a more satisfying sexual relationship. In the end, it's not about bigger is better, but about better is better. Those who take the time to learn about their partner's anatomy and communicate openly about needs can significantly improve the quality of intimacy. Good sex is not based on myths, but on knowledge, communication, and mutual respect. At the end of this video, one thing is clear. Penis size is not the key factor for sexual pleasure. The vagina is an incredibly flexible organ that can adapt, but most nerve endings are located within the first 5 centimeters, not deep inside. In fact, a penis that is too large can even be uncomfortable, while other factors like technique, communication, and emotional connection play a much bigger role. So if you thought size was everything, I hope this video has given you a new perspective. The real secret to a fulfilling sex life isn't just about anatomy. It's about understanding, respect, and open communication with your partner. Do you have any questions or personal experiences on this topic? Leave a comment below. Let's talk about it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might find it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more important topics. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.